Welcome everyone to HFN, also known as HueFin News. Today is December the 22nd, 2020. And today we are going to give you all an update on Apple stock. I'm going to give you all a prediction as to what we're noticing from the trap perspective. If you don't know who the trap is, he's the one that simply moves the market. We follow what he does in order so that we can accumulate as much profit as possible in the stock market. All of that without using any technical indicators. Now, before I go into that, I want to try to plug you in on something that we are going to do beginning of 2021 of January. We are going to release some memberships, so that we can start going live and also trying to converse and give you all to collaborate and participate with us on our live stream. And we also take the opportunity to look at some other products that you all may be interested in us reviewing and predicting. All of that will be coming through January 2021. So if that is something you sound interesting to you, get prepared because it's coming January of 2021. If you guys appreciate our content as well, I also want to remind you, hit the like button, share the video, and subscribe. That bell, tap that. Make sure you tap that so you make sure that you do not miss out on any of our information that we are delivering here on this particular platform. Now, here it is. Apple stock. Last time we did our video in Apple was on December the 4th, and you guys can see our expectations into the market for Apple. We expected this trend to continue in the market in Apple, and for the time being, the strength is still there. The trap is still letting us know that I'm still feeling strong. I'm still trying to push this value of Apple stock higher in price. So we simply are here today just to update and review the price chart to see if anything changed, and if so, do we need to get rid of our prediction of Apple continuing to go higher in price, or do we need to reverse our thinking and expect the market to go lower? So let's go into this real quick. So let me zoom in. You guys can see right here, December the 3rd, December the 4th is when the video was uploaded to YouTube. Been playing the strength into the market in Apple. It is definitely coming to fruition right now. So about 4.4% if we were to get out today into the market from our prediction that came through on December the 4th. So very good. 4% market movement from the 3rd to today. It's very good to see this market in Apple going in that direction. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to act like we're going to simulate it and take it out, our profit of about 4.4% and simply do a different prediction. So 4.4%, congratulations on those who rolled out the market in Apple going higher in price. And I wanted to show you that actually, I'm still expecting the market in Apple to go higher in price. And this is the reason why. You see that, okay? This market in Apple, it is still following this trend, which is always positive. The trap always lays out what he plans on doing. And this is the current trend that the market in Apple is going through. Plain and simple. And it's to the point to where you would expect him to try to come in and focus his attention up here to all-time highs in Apple. Well, recently, back here on the 2nd and 3rd of September, he is trying to eye that particular price level again based off this last couple of trading days. So when you look at Apple on these different time frames as well, on the 3-day time frame, you all can still see here that this market is still trying to inch higher in price. The only concern is right here on this open. This is where the market area of sellers is trying to appear. That's what we're expecting to see the sellers at. Okay, right here where the market opened at $132.75. Okay, market currently is at pre-market 132.17. We're literally there now. So right when the market opens, you might miss out on this particular move or forecast that we're about to generate. Okay. Real quick, I want to look at the weekly time frame into the market in Apple, and you guys can still see here that the strength is still there. And right here, let me show you this. Let me show you this right here. It's where support needs to be going forward. $124 is where the market support needs to come through. Simple. So as long as the trap trades price above $124, the expectation is going to be for it to go higher in price. I will even take 120 as support. So we have our areas of support right now into the market in Apple. 124 to 120. Price trades above that. We understand the market sentiment. It is strong and it's going to continue to go higher in price. So what we're going to do on this video, we are going to continue to go with what the trap is telling us. He is expecting to continue to move the market higher in price. You all can see already that in pre-market, we're already at 132.17. So we're going to continue to go on with this trend. Okay. Now, this is it. So simple to see, easy to understand, and we're in position. One of the things that we harp on here on this particular platform is the only way that you're able to maintain profitability and get profits out the market is when you're in position. You got to get there first. You have to beat the market there. And when I say the market, I'm talking about the trap. You need to beat him to the price in order for you to really grab the profitability out. We cannot speak on historical information to try to gauge what's going to happen in the future. We cannot talk about the past. We need to speak on the future. And this is our expectations of what we expect the trap to do. We're expecting him to continue to move the market higher in price. For us, we're looking for him to try to tap out at that all-time high area that came in on the 2nd and 3rd of September. Like he's going to try to hit that area again, but as the notion goes, it's going to fall short. So just to find out where the market is going to find some sellers, it's going to be a little bit less than the high that came in on September the 2nd. That's our expectations. Now, you might see something different. We're going to continue to play the strength into the market in Apple based off the reason that we talked about on this video. And it's not confusing. Our chart is clean. Our jargon is not complicated to understand. And we're still in position. So now it's your turn. What do you all see into the market in Apple? Do you agree with what we're seeing or do you disagree? You might see something totally different, and there's nothing wrong with that. Can nobody tell you that what you see on the chart is incorrect? So let us know with a comment in the comment section. Just don't make it confusing. Make sure you maintain a profitability and trade different.